Hi, you rates. I've had an email from a couple of you about the primary school network diagram. So I've created this little video to show you how it's done. I'm going to use Excel and I'm going to use icons. First of all, you need to start off with a list of your primary school requirements and then your network requirements. Next thing to do is make lots of little squares so that you can build your plan. Just highlight lots of columns, select the rows. And then when you get going, just highlight an area, go to the home area, put a border around it. So this is going to be my reception. Going to need a nice big corridor down through the school. Going to need a classroom. And as you can see, the squares make it very easy to do a very quick outline floor plan. Label it up, drag these into the right place, put them in the middle of the square, helps it, make it bold, do a little bit of formatting. Reception, of course, that can go up here, put it in the middle. And you can build your floor plan very quickly. Don't forget, you're going to need a bit of a storeroom for your server and your networking. So you could call that network room. Some primary schools just store all their equipment in a cupboard in the office. So I probably need a nice big hall down here where everyone can do their PE and have their assemblies. So as you can see, we've created an outline very quickly. Now, when it comes to the network requirements, what we can do is use the thing called icons. So if you go to the insert menu and go to icons here, across the top should be a little selection called technology. And this is where you can choose suitable images. So as you can see here, these could be nice classroom PCs. I might want a classroom printer. And I'm going to need some networking features. So if I scroll down, oh look, there's a nice big printer. Oh, of course, we're going to want a scanner in the PC classroom. These could be your hubs, routers and switches. Just label them when you want them to do something different. And of course, down here, you've got your Wi-Fi connections. And then you could use any of this. So here's a nice cable where you could use that to connect to the internet near the front office. Once you've inserted all of these, you can then move them wherever you need them. So if you just shrink that one down, click on it, Control C, Control V, and then if I do lots of these, I can quickly put a network point. There's one for the hall, there's one for the network room, there's one for the classroom, and you can slowly build up. We'll have one covering reception and the corridor there, and you can put them wherever you need. This is where my network point's going to come in, so BT can put a phone line in there. Now here's a very interesting thing. Here's my switch. I'm going to label it as a switch. I'd write a little label and add text to it. My network room, because I'm going to have lots of computers in here, is going to need a switch and a cabinet, they call them. And oh look, I want to put my little scanner in the background, so that'll be on the side there. And you just put the features in here. Look, nice big printer that can go in reception, and you just have to play around with the scale and get everything the way you want it. And you can build up your network like this. Oh, look, nice classroom printer. Let's put that in the classroom for the teacher. Oh, here's some computers. Control C, Control V. And you could put 4 or 5 laptops in. Here's my network room, so I'm going to want lots of computers in there. And I can just arrange them around. It doesn't have to be exact. You can even write numbers next to these. So you could say a row of 10 computers. And if you click something like times 10, it clearly shows me what they are. So this is kind of how you do your network diagram. What I'm interested in finding out is, do you understand all the features that go into a network? So you need hubs, switches to connect classroom together. Everything comes back to a main switch in the server room. You need a server, which is a large computer, very fast computer doing all the files. And you need your network points and a router to get onto the internet. Hope that gives you enough clues. Go back through the notes on Teach IT if you get stuck on what all the components are, and then just explore this software and see what you can show us. Hope that helps.